Hello everyone, I'm Ben, welcome back to TechBlock. Today we're doing the DIY RGB chair video. I've kind of been procrastinating on doing this and having second thoughts on whether I should even do this video, as I have done like a DIY RGB chair video in the past, which was kind of funny to do. We basically added like underglow to the bottom of my previous GT Omega chair, but today we're going to be RGBing this chair, not adding underglow this time. Instead, we're going to make the entire like outline of the chair RGB. So I've got a portable battery bank here from Anker, right here. So I'm going to be plugging in that LED strip into this portable battery bank and attempting to stick the LED strip on via this tape. Now, I don't know if this is going to work, and if it does work, I really hope that I can get rid of this RGB mod and hopefully restore the chair back to normal, as I don't know if it's going to look good or if it's going to look absolutely awful. The underglow didn't look too bad, but unfortunately the batteries that came with the underglow LED strips died very quickly. So I don't know how this is going to go, as I really do like this chair. This is the GT Omega Elite in black and white leather. It's a really nice chair, I like the design of it. I bought the chair myself like 1 or 2 months ago, I think. I posted like an unboxing video, which was actually probably one of my funniest videos. You can... Jesus Christ, did I break it? The chair was difficult to build for me for some reason, but it was a funny video nevertheless, and I just really hope I don't ruin this beautiful chair by trying to make it RGB. And just in case anyone asks, like, is this video sponsored by anyone? No, it's not sponsored by GT Omega, but if you do want to buy anything from GT Omega, you can use TechBlock 5, that's the code, to get yourself 5% off anything on the GT Omega websites. I'll get a commission for that as well, but you get 5% off, so it's kind of like a win-win. But apart from that, I did get these LED strips sent to me like over a month ago, I think, by Lighting Ever, so thanks guys for sending these over. And then I bought the actual tape myself on Amazon like last week. So yeah, I think without further ado, let's begin trying to do this thing. Oh man, the DIY RGB chair. What could go wrong? Right, let's take the LED strips out. I think I've already unboxed one of these in the past. Yes, I did. So we'll just put this whole kit away, and then we're gonna use this bad boy here. Let's just test to make sure that it actually works first. That, you know, that is important to make sure that the LED strip works in the first place. So plug this into here. There's a button. There we go. It's beautiful. Yeah, I really don't know how this is actually going to look like once we stick it onto the chair. Well, let's go ahead and untangle all of this, and yeah, we'll get to work. This LED strip is 10 meters long, or 32 feet. Oh, this is just the worst idea ever. Right, chances are I'm not going to actually use the full 10 meters of this strip. So what I do need to know is, like, can I cut this to size? The rope lights cannot be cut to length. What the hell am I going to do with, like, all the excess LED? I could just, like, I could just put it at the bottom of the chair. Yep, well, I guess we'll do that then. Any excess LED strip, I'll just, like, stick to the very bottom of the chair and hope that it doesn't like fall down or anything. Alright, that's the plan, I guess. Alright, so the DIY chair mod is now complete, and oh man, I thought it would look so bad by the time we're done with this, but oh my god, this is, I am proud of this. It doesn't look too bad. Like, oh my god, like all the LED lights are like lined up perfectly somehow. Like, you know, from one side of the chair to the other side, like they're in the exact same position, I guess. If I lower the ISO on my camera, you can really see all the all the LED lights. Oh, and we have one LED light like on the actual frame there, I guess, and one here as well for the actual like armrests. And if we go beneath the chair, yeah, we have this. So hopefully no one looks beneath the chair. It looks horrific, but the chair itself is pretty funny looking. Oh, I forgot we have like all these effects. Now the real question is, can I still sit in the chair and the LED lights stay on? That's what's important here, because I mean, is the chair still usable? And the answer is, yeah, I guess. Can I? Ooh, well, yeah, I don't know if I want to mess around with the actual, like, reclining thing, because that might ruin everything, maybe. I really don't know. I'm scared that they're just going to start falling off, like, any moment now. But the adhesive is actually, like, surprisingly strong. And, I mean, it works. Look at the back of the chair, I guess. Oh, man. Freaking RGB chair. Only on the TechBlock channel do you get content like this. You know, RGB chairs, you don't see this anywhere else. Like, I'm actually kind of surprised by how well it turned out. I thought it would look so bad. This is brilliant. I can't wait to see how this looks like at night. Alright, so it's 7 PM right now. It's much darker now. As you can see, it's completely dark outside. There's the chair. It keeps changing lighting modes, unfortunately. Right, I've set the chair to like a static effect, but it's only a matter of time until it switches to a different effect of its own choosing, I guess. But yeah, there's the bottom of the chair. It looks nuts. And there is actually like quite a bit of underglow, I guess. Like if you look below the chair, you can probably see a bunch of like reflections off of the floor there. But the chair itself looks so funny in my opinion. It's like a Christmas tree, but it's a chair that you sit in. What the hell have I created here? The whole chair is lining up. But I think it does actually look kind of cool from the back. Like, look at the outline. Oh my god. And the fact that this is all like DIY is like crazy. Alright, so I think I'm going to be ending the video here. It has been a lot of fun doing this video. I didn't think that it would actually turn out looking good. I mean, let me know what you guys think of this RGB chair mod in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts about this beautiful Christmas tree or chair that we've built. Man, it's so good. But apart from that, thank you very much for watching everyone, and I hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.